I'm Jamie Tjornehoj. I'm the marketing representative for new Spaces Design-Build Remodeling here in the Twin Cities. I have been with the company since about 2020, and I served initially as an intern and moved up into a marketing managerial role recently. And I handle all internal and external communications, all of our press and PR. I handle any of our partnerships and local collaborations, as well as I'm a representative at different chambers and things like that for the company. One thing that I really appreciate about New Spaces is our ability to really get into the depths of our clients' lives to figure out what kind of remodeling is going to best suit them and best enhance their lives. I think being on my end, I get to see, the before product and the after product, and it's just a really rewarding place to be, to see this transformation take place not only in the physical form, but through the lives of the clients. So New Spaces has been featured in the New York Times, the Star Tribune, on different local television platforms, as well as different local publications. And I think it just attributes to the hard work of our team, the graciousness of the clients, letting us in their homes to really help transform and better their lives. And I love working at New Spaces, and I'm just so proud of our team and how far we've come. If you're looking to remodel, I would recommend New Spaces because you're going to get more than just a physical remodel. You're joining our New Spaces community. We have different events throughout the year that we welcome you to, our different tours and shows. We really try to create the sense of community and family that goes beyond the walls of your home and the walls of our offices. And so we really encourage you to check us out and get in contact with us if you're looking to remodel.